Hi guys, I'm in the final stages of fighting an acne flare-up that hit me about 5 days ago. You might be able to just see the remnants of it here. And so I just wanted to jump on and share a quick video with you guys about the routine I've been following in case it helps any of you. Now, I'm studying to be an advanced facialist, but I haven't done any official acne treatment training yet. So this video is based on my research and what works for me. A man in his 30s with a Fitzpatrick 3 combination type skin. So assuming you already have a solid skincare routine dialed in, and if you don't, watch the video up here or download the free guide, which isn't sponsored, below, which just tells you the products to buy and what to do, which will give you good results from 6 weeks. And then you're only going to need 2 products. The first is benzoyl peroxide, ideally at 2.5%, which you should be able to pick up from any pharmacy and you can get from Amazon. And the second is a thick, occlusive moisturizer, like one of these 2 bad boys, to stop you looking like a lizard. And if you can't remember the names of these products, I've actually put them down in the description, so you can just grab them from there. So, after you've cleansed your face and applied any other serums you've got as part of your routine, you want to grab your benzoyl peroxide treatment and apply it. Now, you don't want to spot treat. You actually want to apply the treatment all over the affected area, possibly as much as 2 fingers worth of this stuff. So you're going to go through a lot of it. Now, a couple of things are going to happen. Your skin's going to start to become quite dry, but big deal, it's better than the acne. Now, remember how I said 2.5% is ideal? That's because the stronger strengths, 5%, 10%, and higher, don't actually have much more of an impact on treating the acne that you've got, but they do increase the risk and chances of irritation and dry skin. So stick with the 2.5%, at least to begin with. Next, you want to use a nice, thick, occlusive moisturizer. My go that I absolutely love, which it might sound weird, we're talking about a skincare product, but I absolutely do, is the Aestura Atobarrier 365 cream from Korea. This bad boy is exceptional at barrier repair, at calming skin. I use quite a lot of different exfoliating ingredients throughout my skincare routine, and I'm always testing lots of different products for you guys. So I find when I get sensitivity, this stuff is brilliant. And I think it could be one of my favorite moisturizers of all time. But there's a few others, so I'm not confident on that bit. But either way, when you start using this, you will love it. But this one's relatively expensive for the size of it, and also it can be quite hard to get depending on where you are because it's Korean. So a good alternative, and is really good and would do the job, is the Cerave moisturizing cream. Not the lotion, the cream. I'm about 5 days into following this in the mornings and the evenings, and as you can see, it's pretty much gone. It's there a little bit, but I'm pretty confident that in another day or so, it's going to go completely. But, of course, everybody's skin is unique, and I've got a pretty dialed-in skincare routine. So if it doesn't work for you within, say, 5 or 6 days, or you're not seeing a big impact, I'd actually say give yourself about a month to really judge whether it's working for you or not. And that's a month of using it in the morning and the evenings. I'm also hyper vigilant about the basics when I get a flare-up. Stuff like flipping over my pillows or switching them around, so I'm always sleeping on clean pillowcases, always washing my face with lukewarm water, not hot, and always making sure that I wash my face, preferably with a cleanser, within 20 minutes of doing any kind of exercise at the gym or sweating, and obviously not touching my face. The other thing to say is you don't want to get this benzoyl peroxide in your clothes or any materials or fabrics because it stains. If this works for you or it doesn't, stick it in the comments below because it might help somebody else out. And if you found this useful but haven't got your basic skincare routine dialed in yet, you watch my video up here. Thanks, and I hope this helps.